These types of videos are getting millions of views on TikTok and YouTube. You can upload them on multiple platforms and can earn thousands of dollars. If your country is not eligible for the TikTok Creativity Program, you can buy a UK account to access the TikTok Creativity Program anywhere in the world. The link is given in the description. You can create the same or even better content without a ChatGPT 4 subscription. The entire process is completely free, and you can do it on your phone or PC. First of all, click on the link in the description and open this document. From here, copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT has generated the entire script with chapters. If you don't like the script, you can simply regenerate it, but I liked it. Now we need images. If you have a ChatGPT Plus subscription or Midjourney, that's great. If you don't, I would suggest using the Bing AI image generator. You can open and use it on the Microsoft Edge browser for free. Copy and paste the first chapter and click on the Generate button. It has generated 4 different images. Choose the best image and download it, naming it in numerical order for their sequence. Copy, paste, and generate the images of all the chapters one by one. Save them according to their numeric order.
$2,000 later.
Now that the images are generated, we need a ChatGPT interface. Open the Canva website and click on Create Design. Choose Custom Size and select the ratio given in the document. Click on Design and then click on Color. Copy the color code from the document and apply the color. Search for circle and click on Frames. Add this circle frame and adjust its size to 100 by 100. Duplicate it and move it slightly down. Now search for a square. Add this rounded square. Move it below. Click on Text and add a text box. Click on Fonts and search for Roboto. Then apply this font. Drag it near the first circle and rename it as U. Adjust it properly in front of the circle. Make it bold. Duplicate it and drag it in front of the second circle, renaming it ChatGPT. Duplicate the text and unbold it. Write any random text and adjust its alignment. Duplicate it and also add it below the ChatGPT text. Right, here's the image. Make the square a little larger. Click on the element and search for pencil. And add this pencil sign perfectly under the first text. Change its color to white. Open Google and search for ChatGPT logo. Wait for its quality to upgrade, then simply drag and drop it into Canva. Add this to the ChatGPT circle. For this profile picture, you should upload your logo as I am doing. Now duplicate it according to your script length. Now copy the first chapter and paste it into the first text. Adjust the pencil below the text. Sometimes the text exceeds the limit. You have to select the upper area and move it slightly up. Adjust the pencil below the text. Do the same process for all the chapters one by one.
2 hours later.
Now drag and drop the first image that we generated before. Add the image to the frame. Do the same process for all images one by one. Take care not to disturb the arrangement. After all is done, click on Share and download it in full quality. Now we need a voiceover. I am using 11 Labs that permit 10,000 characters in the free trial. Press Windows plus V and paste all the scripts from clipboard. Choose a voice. I suggest Adam Voice. And click on Generate.
In the quaint town of Oaksville, a peculiar
Click on the download button to download the voice. Now we have to combine all the media. You can use any video editor on a phone or PC. I would personally suggest you the Capcut for video editing because it is completely free and easy to use. You can also use it online without downloading it. You can get extra 500 megabytes storage by sign up my referral link that is in the description. Open a new project and import all the images that we created on Canva and audio also. You have to extract the zip file that contains all the images that we downloaded from Canva. Drag and drop all the images to Capcut. Also drop the audio. Select all the images and import them to the timeline. Adjust the sequence of the images. Now play the video. When the first chapter ends, pause and expand the image to the cursor line. Do the same process for all the images. Click on Transition and search for Slide. Add this paper transition between all the images. Click on Audio and search for Suspense. Add music according to the script. You can see the duration of the music is less than the video. So duplicate the music like that. Select the music and reduce its volume to -10 dB. Here's the result.
In the quaint town of Oaksville, a peculiar package arrives at the doorstep of the local museum. Museum curator, Dr. Amelia Brooks, carefully opens the package to reveal an ancient artifact adorned with cryptic symbols. Dr. Brooks becomes consumed by the artifact's mystery, spending countless hours deciphering its meaning and origins. Bizarre incidents begin to plague Oaksville, leading some to believe that the artifact may be cursed. Dr. Brooks uncovers a clandestine society dedicated to protecting the artifact and its secrets at any cost. A mysterious stranger arrives in Oaksville, claiming to have knowledge about the artifact's true purpose. In a daring attempt to unlock the artifact's power, Dr. Brooks and the stranger embark on a perilous journey to a hidden temple. As they delve deeper into the temple's depths, they confront dark secrets from both the artifact's past and their own.